Hey, this is Bauke from liberty2travel.com. Welcome to my Energize review. I'm here inside the dashboard of Energize, this new product by Glyn and Lee Koski. And during this review, we're going to have a look inside the actual software. This is the software right here. You can see the dashboard with all of the different features that we're one by one going through during this review. We will also have a look at the sales page right here for Energize. Have a look at the claims being made by the creators right here on this sales page. And of course, I've also put together a package of custom and exclusive bonuses that you can get your hands on by purchasing Energize through the link below this video. So click on that link on the description of YouTube of this video. It's the first link in the description. Just click on that link to go directly to the sales page for Energize, which is going to look like this right here. Then make your purchase of Energize through the secure checkout process of Warrior Plus. And then my bonuses will be waiting for you inside your purchase receipt on the Warrior Plus platform under the button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. A link to that purchase receipt will be sent to your email by Warrior Plus right away after your initial purchase. Now let's go over these bonuses one by one, and then we will go into the dashboard for Energize for a quick demo of the actual software. In a nutshell, Energize is going to allow you to create done-for-you funnels for affiliate products. So you can use these funnels to promote affiliate products, specifically in this case, high-ticket affiliate offers. So that's offers that sell for hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars. But also, of course, you can adapt these funnels to promote any affiliate offer out there. So this basically is an all-in-one package for starting your affiliate marketing online. Bonus number one then is going to show you the top 7 ways to drive traffic to your Energize campaigns. Of course, once you have the campaign set up inside Energize, you want to make sure you get visitors that are going to look at your campaigns and convert into paying customers so that you can actually make some commissions from affiliate marketing. So in bonus number one, I'm going to show you my top 7 free methods for driving traffic to your Energize campaigns. Bonus number 2 then is going to show you how to use Energize to build your email list so you can really turn this into a long-term business. Now inside Energize, you can actually create pages to capture email addresses, but then what you do with those email addresses after that is not really covered by Energize. So what I'm going to do inside bonus number 2 is show you exactly what to do in that case, like what software should you be using to capture those email addresses, how to set it up, how to write good follow-up sequences and broadcast emails so that once you have people on your list, how do you actually sell to those people with email marketing. This is all going to be covered inside bonus number 2. I'm also going to give you done-for-you stuff like done-for-you landing pages, done-for-you email swipes, so you can simply copy-paste these and immediately start using them inside your email campaigns. Bonus number 3 then is going to show you massive profit producing offers to promote using Energize. I'm going to show you how and where to find the highest, best converting affiliate offers that you can then promote using the Energize app. So what I'm going to do is show you the best affiliate networks, in my opinion, how to go there, how to get the best converting offers on those networks. And also in the case that you need to get approval, I will show you how to get approval for the affiliate offers that you want to get approved for. That's all covered in bonus number 3. And then finally, bonus number 4 is going to show you 4 different underground hacks to make your Energize campaigns convert better. So if you're worried about low conversions on your campaigns, like sending 100 visitors, not getting a single sale, that would be really bad. So what I'm going to show you inside bonus number 4 is how to make sure that your campaigns are really going to convert really well with some underground methods that most advanced super affiliates and other online marketers with big success are using in their business. So I'm going to break this down, show you step by step how to apply this to your own campaigns so you get more sales, more leads, basically more results from the same amount of traffic. So those 4 bonuses will be inside your purchase receipt on Warrior Plus after your purchase of Energize through the link below this video. Later during this review, we'll talk about the pricing and the upsells, but first, let's go into the dashboard for a demo. Now, the first thing you'll see is this welcome screen with a welcome video from Lee Koski and some getting started links right here. Then you can go to tutorials where you will find more in-depth videos showing you step by step how Energize works, how to set everything up inside Energize. Here, that is the how it works and setup. Then also how to integrate it with your autoresponder. So like I said, inside my bonus number 2, I'm going to show you exactly how to get an autoresponder, what an autoresponder is, basically this is all about email marketing. So what I'm going to show you is what is my favorite autoresponder, why that is my favorite autoresponder, and more. Inside social sharing, you will find how to share your campaigns to social sites, and then a few more advanced tutorials on different settings inside the app, and also some tutorials on how to get traffic to your campaigns are included here in the tutorials. Then under your campaigns, you can see the campaigns that you've already created, as well as some of the done for you campaigns that come with the Energize app. So you can see here, for example, for the super affiliate system, which is a high ticket product you can promote on ClickBank. So you don't even need to worry about getting approved for this offer. You can simply go to ClickBank, and John Crestani, the creator of the super affiliate system, will approve anyone who wants to promote this product. So you can go to ClickBank, get your link, and then start using the done for you pages. So you will see there is a squeeze page, which is a landing page designed to capture email addresses. So that is this one. So this is already created for you with the right headline and text and bullet points specifically for the super affiliate system by John Crestani. So you can see there's even exit pop-ups included and everything. So what I'm going to show you is, you can click on yes, save my spot, and then you can see there is already an email sign up. And of course you can connect this to your own autoresponder, so you can actually get the signups for the email addresses for those signups onto your own autoresponder and start email marketing to these people yourself. So even if they don't initially purchase the product you are promoting, you then have the email address and you can promote to them over and over again. Maybe they will need a bit of convincing to buy the super affiliate system, so you send them a couple of emails with a lot of details about this product. If they're not interested in that, maybe they're interested in buying some low ticket products, so maybe you promote a few low ticket products, and that way even if you don't make the initial sale, you still have an asset that is going to help you grow your business over time. Now then you also have the webinar pages, so that's going to look like this. This is the actual webinar of the super affiliate system, and then of course this is the button to purchase it, and this will be your affiliate link that you can set inside the Energize dashboard. And there's also a download page for bonuses, so you can actually give away bonuses, and then this will be the page where people can go and download those bonuses. Now, how does it look like to edit the pages? So you can click on edit, and then you can edit basically anything you want about those pages. You can change the campaign title, the affiliate link. Like I said, this is where you would put your affiliate link. So make sure that you put your own affiliate link for this particular product inside this box here before you start sending traffic. Otherwise, you will not be credited for any sales that you make. Then the squeeze page, you can change the headline, all of the bullet points on the squeeze page. You can also change the image that it shows on the sales page. You can also have an exit redirect, that is that pop-up I showed you. You can have the webinar video here. So this is the video URL for the webinar, and you can set how long it takes before the button appears to actually purchase the product. Then you can integrate everything, of course, with your autoresponder, like I said. Now inside tutorials, there's a video explaining exactly how to do that. So that is how you can edit your campaigns step by step. Then you can also go to bonus campaigns, where you have a couple of more done for you campaigns for the ambassador program, CB passive income, commission hero, and 6-figure success academy. Some more products that you can promote using Energize. Then affiliate link, this is simply where you can find different affiliate links for different campaigns. So you can see here are some of the products, like the super affiliate system. You can just click on get affiliate link. You'll be redirected to where you can go and get your affiliate link once you click on that. Then bonus links, let's see what this does. And that's for the bonus campaigns, so the other 4 affiliate programs. Just click on get affiliate link. It will take you to the affiliate network, where you can then apply for your affiliate link for these different programs. Free traffic then is a section on how to get free traffic to your campaigns. You can see different steps here that you can take to get traffic to your campaigns. And then upgrades, these are some optional upgrades that you can purchase, the unlimited version, traffic upgrade, etc. These are basically upgrades to the Energize software that you can purchase and get more from this software. Now let's have a quick look at the sales page, and then we'll talk about the pricing of this. So Energize, world's first high-ticket elite commission app for 2021. Not sure it's the world's first, but I've seen some software like this before, but it is a good way to get started with some very quick, done for you, high ticket affiliate funnels. So in 60 seconds flat, basically because everything is already done for you, all you need to do is just put your affiliate link in, edit a few things if you want, integrate your autoresponder, and start sending traffic. So clone our automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400+ million visitors. That's because of the social sharing, of course. They mean you can share this to any social network where you have more than 400 million possible visitors, but it doesn't mean that you're actually going to get 400 million visitors to your site immediately, of course. So there you go. That is just a quick look at the sales page. You can check out the rest of it yourself at your own pace in your own time. Just click the link below this video to get to the sales page, and then you can take your time to go through all of the information about this product right here. So make sure you do that before you make a purchase decision. Go through all this information, some income proof, testimonials, and more about this product. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing then before we wrap this up. So the front end, that's everything I showed you in my demo, is going to start at $17 for the version that I showed you right here, and then it's going to go up to $27 at the end of the launch. So the launch is going to take place today on the 2nd of June 2021 at 9 a.m. EST. Now once the product is live, every few sales the price will slowly be going up a little bit until it reaches $27. So if you want to get in at the lowest possible price, make sure you purchase this as soon as you can. Now with the front end of $17, you're not only going to get the Energize app that I demonstrated to you, but also all of my custom and exclusive bonuses only by purchasing it through the link below this video, because these are basically on their own worth way more than just $17. So if you want to get it with those bonuses, make sure you grab it through that link. Then we have the optional upsells. So like I said, these give you some extra features. The unlimited version allows you to create unlimited funnels for $67. 100% done for you. They're going to do a done for you setup for $97. Unlimited traffic gives you the ability to put your own traffic retargeting pixels on their sales pages, so you can basically tap into the traffic of Glyn and Lee Koski. Now they launch new products every month. They get thousands of targeted visitors, and you can then tap into that traffic yourself for just $97. The automation version gives you some extra automation features like scheduling posts. I don't know exactly which other things, but there are a few automation features you get for that from that for $67. The ATM version for $197, I'm not sure what that one does. Also the ultimate version for $197. Make sure you check the sales pages of OTO 5 and 6 after you go through the first four. You can check out the sales page and you can see what the different features are you're going to get with those extra upgrades. And then finally, OTO 7 is the license rights for $67, which allows you to resell Energize as your own product and then keep 100% of the profits for yourself, and that is $67. So those are the upsells. They are of course completely optional. You don't need any of those to work with Energize, but they will give you an edge over some of the others. But everything I showed you is included in the front end with all of my custom and exclusive bonuses only available through the link below this video. So that wraps up my Energize review. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this review. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more product reviews and other internet marketing tips and tricks, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.